Our planet hides rivers that boil, not from the sun, but from the Earth's own fiery core. These rare, steaming waterways are found where the crust is thin, letting geothermal energy reach the surface. More than geological oddities, they're unique ecosystems and sacred sites, reminders of the power beneath our feet. Each boiling river is a story of volcanic fury, ancient myth, and life thriving in extremes. Join me as we journey across continents to uncover the science, legends, and dangers of the world's hottest rivers. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, far from any volcano, lies the legendary Shanay-Timpishka, the boiling river. For generations, the Ashaninka people have revered this sacred steaming waterway, believing it to be the work of jungle spirits. The river stretches over 6 kilometers with temperatures reaching up to 93 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cook anything that falls in. The journey to reach it is a trek through dense rainforest, ending in a surreal vision, a river shrouded in mist, hissing with heat. For centuries, scientists dismissed its existence, insisting such a river couldn't exist without a nearby volcano. Yet the nearest volcano is over 700 kilometers away. The secret lies in deep fault lines beneath the Amazon basin, channeling rainwater far underground where it's superheated and forced back to the surface. This natural hydrothermal system is rare and immense. For the Ashaninka, the river is home to Yakumama, the mother of the waters, and its steam is used in healing rituals. Unique extremophile microbes thrive here, adapted to the scalding temperatures, but the river is threatened by deforestation, putting its fragile ecosystem and cultural significance at risk. Protecting Shanay-Timpishka means preserving both a geological marvel and a sacred heritage. The boiling river is a place where myth and science converge, revealing the hidden thermal engine of our world. It challenges our understanding and inspires awe for the forces shaping our planet. Here, the Earth's breath is hot and real, a reminder of mysteries still waiting to be discovered. The river's story is one of resilience, wonder, and the delicate balance between nature and culture. It stands as a testament to the power simmering just beneath our feet, and it invites us to look deeper, to respect and protect the marvels our planet still holds. From the Amazon, we travel to Ethiopia's Danakil Depression, one of the hottest, lowest, and most alien places on Earth. Here, Dallol's hydrothermal rivers and pools paint the desert in surreal colors, thick with the smell of sulfur and the hiss of steam. The rivers are acidic, saline, and superheated by volcanic activity just beneath the crust. As mineral-rich brine evaporates, it leaves behind vibrant salt formations, yellows, reds, greens, and whites. This landscape is young and volatile, shaped by magma intrusions and seawater from the Red Sea. Despite the extreme heat and acidity, life persists. Extremophile microbes thrive, offering clues to life's limits on Earth and beyond. For the Afar people, Dallol is both a source of salt and a place of reverence. Navigated with inherited knowledge and respect, the rivers and pools are a living laboratory, a window into the raw power of volcanism. Dallol's beauty is stark and humbling, a reminder that even in the harshest places, nature creates wonders. Here, the Earth's artistry is on full display, sculpting a landscape that feels truly otherworldly. To witness Dallol is to see the planet's creative force in its most vivid form. Next we visit Beppu, Japan, a city where geothermal energy shapes daily life. Steam vents, or jigoku, dot the landscape, and rivers like the Umizono flow warm year-round, fed by abundant hot springs. The heat comes from volcanic systems beneath the city, with rainwater heated by magma and rising through faults. Beppu's people have harnessed this energy for centuries, cooking with steam, heating greenhouses, and bathing in mineral-rich onsen. The hot rivers are arteries of wellness, supporting unique plants and aquatic life in their warm microclimates. Here, geothermal power is not just a danger but a resource woven into culture and prosperity. Walking beside a steaming stream, you feel the planet's energy, gentle yet ever-present. Beppu is a model of coexistence with the Earth's inner fire, blending respect, ingenuity, and tradition. The city's hot rivers remind us that geothermal power can be a source of health and community. It's a living example of harmony with the restless heart of the planet. In New Zealand's North Island, the Waikato River's tributaries are supercharged with geothermal heat. The Taupo volcanic zone powers this phenomenon, where tectonic plates collide and magma heats vast underground reservoirs. Streams like those at Orake Karako pour hot, mineral-rich water into the Waikato, creating steaming, colorful terraces. These hot streams are unique ecosystems, home to thermophilic bacteria and algae that paint the landscape in vivid hues. For the Maori, these geothermal sites are sacred treasures, places for cooking, healing, and spiritual connection. Geothermal power stations now harness this energy, balancing resource use with preservation. The interplay of hot and cold, fire and water shapes a landscape of beauty and significance. Exploring these tributaries reveals the dynamic forces sculpting New Zealand. Here, the Earth's heat meets the river's flow in a spectacular dance of creation. It's a testament to the power and fragility of our planet's geothermal wonders. In the Azores, São Miguel's Furnas Valley is a lush caldera where volcanic heat warms rivers and streams. The Ribeira Quente, or Hot River, is fed by hot springs, creating steaming pools and mineral-rich waters. Locals use this geothermal energy to cook traditional stews, burying pots in the hot earth for hours. The valley's fertile soil and humid climate support vibrant gardens and unique ecosystems. Terra Nostra Park's thermal pool is a highlight, its iron-rich water a constant, inviting warmth. Geothermal activity here is both a blessing and a reminder of potential danger. The volcano is closely monitored. The people of Furnas live with respect for the power beneath their feet, adapting culture and tradition to the landscape. The hot rivers are a warm pulse of a living volcano, connecting life to the planet's molten heart. This is a place where beauty and power coexist, shaping both land and community. The steam rising from Furnas is a living link to the Earth's ongoing creation. In Lesotho's highlands, the Bokong River hot springs, Liho Tunela, emerge as a geothermal surprise in an ancient, stable landscape. Here, near boiling water rises from deep faults, a legacy of volcanic events from millions of years ago. The hot water mixes with the cold mountain stream, forming natural pools with varying temperatures. For the Basotho people, these springs are a vital resource in the cold Maluti Mountains, used for bathing and healing. The springs create a unique oasis, supporting lush algae and attracting wildlife in an otherwise harsh environment. The geological process is different from active volcanoes. Ancient heat, deep rock, and the right pathway bring warmth to the surface. The Bokong Springs are a testament to the planet's hidden energy, manifesting in unexpected places. They show that geothermal power isn't limited to volcanic zones. It can emerge wherever the conditions align. This warm oasis is a reminder of the Earth's enduring heat engine, even in the heart of a stable continent. Liho Tunela is a subtle, powerful symbol of the planet's restless interior. In Papua New Guinea's dense rainforests, rivers boil far from any known volcano, defying geological expectations. Local legends long spoke of these mysterious waterways, like a tributary of the Biraman River, shrouded in fog and sulfur. The likely cause: deep fault lines channel water kilometers underground, where it's superheated and rapidly forced back to the surface. The island's tectonic chaos creates a network of faults, tapping into the Earth's upper mantle. For local tribes, these rivers are sacred and dangerous, woven into folklore as the domain of powerful spirits. The boiling water and unstable ground are real hazards, warning outsiders to keep their distance. Scientific study is difficult, but each discovery reveals more about the planet's hidden geothermal systems. These rivers are a frontier of knowledge, challenging our understanding of hydrothermal phenomena. They remind us that the Earth still holds secrets, with processes we're only beginning to comprehend. In Papua New Guinea, the raw power of the planet is both a mystery and a marvel. In California's Sierra Nevada, Hot Creek flows through the Long Valley caldera, a deceptively beautiful, dangerous place. The creek is fed by snowmelt and boiling geothermal springs, with temperatures that can shift from warm to scalding in moments. The underlying magma chamber heats groundwater, which rises through fissures and vents on the creek bed. Swimming is banned due to unpredictable hotspots and unstable, superheated ground. Despite the danger, Hot Creek is a sight of stunning beauty. Turquoise pools, steaming fog, and a haven for wildlife. Brown trout and other species have adapted to the thermal maze, thriving in this unique environment. Scientists monitor the area for signs of volcanic activity, making Hot Creek a living laboratory. The creek is a vivid reminder of the volcanic power beneath our feet, demanding respect and caution. Here the Earth's energy is on full display, beautiful, but never to be underestimated. Hot Creek is both a wonder and a warning from the restless planet below. From the Amazon to Ethiopia, Japan to New Zealand, we've explored the world's most extreme waterways. Each boiling river reveals the immense geothermal engine powering our planet, cradles for unique life and sacred sites for cultures. These fragile ecosystems demand both admiration and protection, as they're vulnerable to human impact and environmental change. As we learn more, our responsibility to safeguard these wonders grows. The Earth's power is all around us, sometimes subtle, sometimes boiling and steaming before our eyes. Share your own geothermal experiences below, and let's continue the conversation about our living, fiery planet.